Introduction to Meter, Part 3. Today we will learn that while measuring the length, both value and unit are taken into account, and how to compare lengths written in two different units of measurement. What are you thinking, Vandana?
I'm not able to solve this question. How can I find the answer?
What is the question?
The question is, there are two objects. The height of first object is 10 meters and the height of the second object is 10 centimeters. Which among them is bigger?
What is there to think in this? This is a very easy question.
It is not easy. It is a wrong question. Look properly. The length of both the object is 10. That means both of them are of the same height.
Oh no, you got it all wrong. 10 is just the value, but to measure the length, we don't just look at the value, but we look at the unit of measurement too.
Meaning?
For example, in this question, the length of the first object is given as 10 meters. This means that 10 is the value and meter is the unit. Both are important to find the length of any object.
I did not understand. Tell me more.
Look, centimeter and meter are two different units of measurement to measure length. 1 centimeter is smaller than 1 meter. 1 meter has 100 centimeters in it, which means when an object will be 100 centimeters, then it will be equal to 1 meter.
Okay, like here, the length of one object is written with different units of measurement. Therefore, there is a difference in their value too.
Yes, and look, despite the value is less, the length of this object is equal to the other object.
Yes, I understand it now. 10 meter is bigger in 10 centimeter and 10 meter.
Do you know this length could be that of a sparrow and a dinosaur? Because a sparrow could be 10 centimeters long, whereas a dinosaur could be about 10 meters long.
Yeah, that's possible.
This is a question from the book. Now try to answer the question that I will ask you.
Ask me.
The length of an object is 200 centimeters and the length of the second object is 1 meter. Tell me which one among them is longer?
What is there to think here? The object with 1 meter length is bigger.
How?
You only told me that meter is big and centimeter is small. Therefore, 1 meter should be bigger.
I knew that would be your answer.
What did you think? Have I said anything wrong?
Yes, you got it wrong. You do one thing. Draw lines of both these lengths on the floor and see.
Okay. First, I will draw a line of 1 meter. Now, I will make a line of 200 centimeters. Hey, the centimeters line turned out to be longer. That means a value written in centimeters can be longer than one written in meter. I am confused. Now you explain.
Centimeter is smaller than meter. Actually, centimeter and meter are units of measurement for measuring length. And objects can be measured both in meters and centimeters.
Oh, this means the length which can be written in meters, the same can be written in centimeters too.
Yes, now you have understood.
This means there will be always confusion in this.
Won't be. Just remember one thing. When you are asked to compare lengths written in different units, then first write both of them in the same unit.
Meaning?
Look, one length is in centimeters and one in meters. Then write down both the lengths in meters by converting centimeters into meters.
Okay, now I understand. To convert a meter into centimeter, we will multiply it with 100. So we can write it as 100 centimeters. Now if we compare 100 centimeters with 200 centimeters, then we can tell that 200 centimeter is bigger.
Now convert 200 centimeters into meters and see.
200 centimeters divided by 100 gives 2 meters. Yes, even now you can compare 1 meter and 2 meters and say that 2 meter is bigger. Now I have understood completely.
What did you understand?
That Centimeter and meter are used as units to measure length. To find the length of an object, both its value and unit of measurement are required. And that it is not appropriate to compare the length of different objects only based on their value. To correctly compare lengths of objects, the units of both should be made the same.